So this is how you can scale your product or SaaS from good to great. So let's say you have a product or a working product, you have existing users, and you have a team who is consistently shipping new features. But now you want to scale your platform. You want to convert new users, you want to retain existing users, you want to improve capacity, and you want to make the platform more sustainable. This is what I suggest you can do to start with an audit. How users are using your platform and identify the gaps that are stopping your users from achieving the goal or the value from your platform. This is a simple framework that you can follow. Let's say you have your platform users it is a B2B platform, then you have VP, manager, or product team members who are using your platform. And then the idea is to map out the current experience from onboarding, from going to activation, going to engagement, going to insights and decision until they achieve the goal or the outcome from your platform. In the onboarding stage, after they registered or created an account, this is a way to help users understand what your platform is, what they can do in the platform, what are those actions that they need to do. And then activation is more of helping them achieve their first task quickly. Once they understand how it works, we have the engagement phase, which is how they can integrate your platform in their workflow. And after that, we have the insights and decision, which is to turn those data or actions that they did in the platform and turn it into understanding so that they know what to do next or how they can actually get this business outcome. So business outcomes means possibly return on investment, or they were able to save more time and money. They were able to optimize their process, which is resulting to efficiency and effectivity of their process. So the idea is to map out the whole process. What are those main steps or main activities that users need to follow from onboarding until they get the outcome that they want from your platform. And after that, you can use your data to understand where the gaps are. So for example, you have Google Analytics, you have Microsoft Clarity, recordings, feedback, or interviews. Check what are the gaps in there. What are the gaps that are stopping users from moving from left to right until they achieve their goal in your platform. Once you have identified the problem, you create solutions and test. So you don't need to have final solution. What you need is to create solutions, test it with them, and see what will work. Because scaling doesn't start with adding more features. It starts by understanding what the problems are and figuring out how to solve those problems so that you can have more seamless user experience, you can have happy customers, and you can improve the speed of a user into getting the outcome that they need from your business.